Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a commercial hub which is named as Sushma Capital. We'll discuss whether investing in Sushma Capital is a profit-making entity or a loss-making entity. So let's get started. First of all, let's look at the location. It's a corner plot which has a proximity to Dhakoli, the Pir Mashala, the Sector 20 Panchkula. The approach road, here you have the Ambala Road, Old Delhi Ambala Road. Here you have Chandigarh Kalka Highway, and here you have Sector 20 Panchkula. Now consider if you buy any showroom over here, you would need customers. So, and to provide that, the Dhakoli, the Pir Mashala, and the Sector 20 will give you a good amount of customers that will walk through this plaza. Now let's talk about the features that this particular plaza offers. It's a very low-rise commercial retail with 5 acre of plot. It comprises of 4 floors: the lower ground floor, the upper ground floor, first floor, and second floor. The upper ground floor is reserved for the food street. The lower ground floor is reserved for hypermarket. Commercial office spaces is reserved for second floor known as directors' chambers. So they've already segregated the floors in such a way to utilize it to maximum utility. It's a corner property, as I mentioned earlier, it's a corner property and it has large customer footfall as there are more than 40,000 flats and greater than 1 lakh residential population. Maximum retail shops are properly visible due to its architecture. That's what I said, it's a corner setup. The architecture is such that the most of the shops that you see in this plaza will have a good amount of visibility. And secondly, being a corner and a corner plot, it gives you much more freedom of advertisement. The loans that are available are from the Axis Bank, State Bank of India, Citibank, ICICI, Indian Overseas, and HDFC Bank. The drawback, I would say, is just that these days the Sushma Capital have started offering 12% assured return, lease guarantee, and other payment plans as an offer to the customers. Let's understand what these schemes actually mean. Basically, the assured return and lease guarantee is nothing. The developers sell their low money property at a very high price and return your hard earned money in the name of assured return to you in the form of EMI. So my take would be, as a customer, it is better to slash the price and don't go away with the assured return payment plans. Assured return plan is just a trick for fundraising, so don't enter this trap. This is a snippet about the property which says that construction status, it's under construction. It has a RERA registration number. As you know, it's very mandatory to register it with the RERA. So the Punjab RERA number is this one. The launch date is 15 February 2019. The possession date is 14 February 2024. The promoter's name of this is Sushma Group, Town City Realtors Private Limited. Now consider the land area, it's 5.16 acres. Now, as you know that we are running into the COVID times, so the projects have been extended for 6 months, who were expiring on 25/3/2020 by the government due to the COVID restrictions that were running around. So all the projects that were about to be delivered or are delivered after 25/03/2020 have been given an extension for 6 months. The starting price of Sushma Capital is 30 lakhs. Now let's consider the sizes of showroom. The lower ground, upper ground and first floor have 14 feet by 90 inches width showroom, and the depth is 60 feet, 45 feet and 30 feet. So you have three variants wherein you get a 60 feet showroom, you can buy a 45 feet showroom, or you can buy a showroom with a depth of 30 feet. The width remains the same for all the three showrooms. Now consider the office space. Here also the width remains the same as 14 feet 90 inches. Only the difference is in the depth, that is the length, that is 30 and 45 feet. Now let's look at some project images. This is the front. Conclusion. The Sushma Capital property is best suited if you're willing to hold your investment till possession. And if you hold this property till possession, you are expected to get a 6% annual return. But if you move away from it before that, it might turn to be not a profitable situation for you. So these are my suggestions and recommendations for this particular project, Sushma Capital. Hey, I'll give you the link in the comment section wherein you can check out and show the interest, and the real estate agent gonna contact you. And if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.